Have you ever wondered how a transistor works? What magic goes on inside this tiny component that powers our modern electronics? Today, we are going to unlock the mystery of the transistor. In the simplest terms, a transistor is a switch, but not just any switch. It's a switch that uses a small amount of electricity to control a larger amount. Imagine a tiny gatekeeper that controls a massive floodgate. To understand a transistor, you need to know about semiconductors. Semiconductors are unique materials, like silicon, that sometimes conduct electricity and sometimes don't. They are the Goldilocks of materials, not too conductive, not too insulative, but just right. Now, a transistor is made up of 3 layers of these semiconductors, arranged in a sandwich. This sandwich is called a NPN or PNP transistor, depending on the type of semiconductors used. In an NPN transistor, the N stands for negative and the P stands for positive. The negative layers are eager to give away their electrons, while the positive layer is eager to accept them. When a small current enters the middle layer, it encourages the electrons to jump from one side to the other, turning on the transistor and allowing a larger current to flow through. Think of it like a relay race. The small current is the first runner who passes the baton, or in this case, the electrons, to the next runner, the larger current. This is the basic principle of how a transistor works. Now, you might be wondering, why are transistors so important? Well, they are the fundamental building blocks of all our electronic devices. From your smartphone to your microwave, each of these devices contains millions, if not billions, of transistors. Transistors amplify signals, allowing your radio or television to pick up broadcasts from miles away. They also switch signals on and off, creating the binary language of ones and zeros that our computers use to process information. To sum it up, transistors are the tiny gatekeepers that control the flow of electricity in our electronics. They use a small current to control a larger one, acting as both a switch and an amplifier. They are made from semiconductors and come in 2 main types, NPN and PNP. Transistors are fundamental to modern electronics, allowing us to communicate, compute, and control our world. So the next time you pick up your smartphone or turn on your TV, spare a thought for the humble transistor, the tiny component that makes it all possible.